number one, in my opinion, for hourly billing clients or hourly billing law firms is Clio. Clio
Mhm.
Practice Management. We love it. We are Clio consultants here at Counsel CPA, so we know it really well, and we recommend it every time, anytime there is an hourly billing firm that needs a new practice management software. But Clio is not the only one. They're very good. They've been around for quite some time, and they're investing a lot of money into the software. So new features are coming up all the time. And it's not only a billing software, it's like a comprehensive practice management where you can do so much more. All your clients' documents are there, all the correspondences are included. The billing, time and billing is there, obviously. And you can have your client onboarding through Clio. Now they actually came out with Clio Accounting also. So there's an accounting software baked into it also. So it's pretty kind of new, the accounting software. They're improving it as it goes. So that I'm excited over it because we typically using QuickBooks in combination with Clio. So if Clio's accounting platform becomes even better, then we might just go away from QuickBooks overall and just use Clio as all in one, both for practice management as an accounting software. So Clio is great, but there are multiple ones out there. Smokeball being another one, great software for practice management. Rocket Matter is another one. Practice Panther is another one. FileWine. FileWine is great practice management software for personal injury, contingency-based case law firms typically. FileWine is the one we would recommend for PI attorneys, personal injury attorneys. Another for hourly billing is MyCase. We like MyCase also. But my favorite is Clio, definitely, because it's so easy to use and it does so much more. And it has a lot of integrations with millions of different softwares, IT, technology, AI related, that implements or connects with Clio. One being, for example, this is really cool actually. It's an AI app that connects with Clio, and when you have a phone call with your client, it starts recording your call, which is nothing.
Wow, that's awesome.
But that integrates directly into Clio, so the notes comes into your client's notes directly. So you don't have to copy paste or reprint it or retype it. So it's pretty cool. They do a lot of good things.
I mean, imagine what AI is going to do to Clio. I don't even want to think about it.
It started already.
Yeah.
AI is already on the rise with in the legal industry.
Yeah.
And it's doing, you could do a lot of work with AI, and I think that's another topic we'll talk about in the next few weeks. AI in the legal industry, because it's doing a lot of good things with it. As anything else, when new things comes out, such as AI, we get scared. Is it good for us? Will it take my job away from me? I think it's just changing things. I don't think we humans will be useless, but we need to adopt, we need to change, we need to just do other things that will create more value
Yeah.
rather than just things that we've been doing in the past. For myself, just for my own accounting firm, for example, without 10 years ago, my practice looks totally different from when I first started 15 years ago. It was a lot more data entry back then. It was a lot more accounting per se. Right now, it's more advisory because all the data entry is mostly done by the technology. It comes into the system, we integrate with banks and credit card, we just pull it in, we just spend a fraction of the time on the data entry. But we do a lot more advisory services. Now we have the time to actually dig into the financials and look at the financials more than before, to understand what's happening, analyze the numbers, and kind of provide the guidance to the client rather than sitting inside and doing.
Yeah, the human